me say me if you go up on the media and tell the people them say you're whinging no day. Why you da do that? May I ask a question? Chat, the whole with the year so. Me know no like me. You understand what me I say? Me know half of you no like Annie. But me I ask you this. Why you that text me out of blues when everybody okay? Everybody alright, you know. Right? Why you that text me and say, me fi tell the media say yeah Mekia no day? That get me confused because me I say, but everybody okay, everybody alright. So what this all about? You understand? Me no want nobody else to come talk about money because me earn my money. Me earn my money. So me not to not talk like say me no earn my money or talk like say Jayden a give me money. No found no does not no fucking sense. You see me? When I talk about money, me earn my money. People them over here so we come, 1 and 2 people come rate me and give me 2 gifts. And me work my thing otherwise. After different from social media. Oh, you talk about him. It no matter if we don't have a job, you hold with the up your beg, drunk crow. You hold with the up your beg. This is our office. You hold with up your beg. Try know that. You hold with up your saw beg. And I don't care if you hold on no one come down for me. I don't care. Remember say social media this you can't do me nothing. A long time when I try to hurt me, I tell a whole heap of time when you drag me like a dog. So I don't know if you drag me now. You understand me? Right? Me, I go speak my mind, and if you don't like it, you can just bite it or go choke on it. Right in on the face. Right? Me not frightened enough when me I go make a person hurt me. Or make sure say you just paint off things. If you did not say you want to go back to Fabi, bro, you should never ever do that what you do yesterday. And I just know, me see your style thing you really depend. You see me? I don't know, you know, but me I tell you the truth. You can maybe manipulate who you want to manipulate, but you're not going to do it to me. You see me? And if I saw you go and you want to vex, you can't vex, bro. That's it. Right? The end of the day, I don't rate what you do. You understand what I say? I want Mekia block your ass and never text you back in her life. You understand what I say? I want Mekia block you and never ever text you back in her life because you know we come back and use your brains and laugh with the girl like say yo and polish off things. You see me? Right? And that you will do. You want to polish off things and make it look good. Bro, a styling thing that. Remember me tell you. Right? If nobody no want to believe, me never set up Mekia. Me never did set up nobody together. Me never set up nobody together. Me not set up my daughter upon Jayden. Me tell my daughter don't talk to Jayden. Because my friend are my friend. Fear friend are fear friend. You understand what I say? My friend are my friend. Fear friend are fear friend. You know what me look pan? Me look pan it and say, maybe if a relationship not go good betwixt the two of them, it'll cause it to mash up my friendship. So I tell Mekia about don't talk to him. You understand? I tell Mekia about do not talk to him. Right? I'm in a business if nobody no want to believe me. That's a fool no business. That's a fool no business. Yeah. Mekia alright. Mekia always have our family. A one aunt's family, one aunt's nation. A long time we are carry with family. A long time we are deal with the family. Nobody never not carry my family more than me. Always I carry my whole of my family. You understand me? Me always I bring all of my family. You get me? So one aunt's family, one aunt's nation, and we now go change and we now go break it up. You see me? Right? No, you can't write it in my comment section a million times. It is a prank. None of we now go back around Jayden. Yeah, family. None of we now go back around Jayden. I'm in a business if you want to attack we. That's okay. We're not going back around Jayden. Alright? I want to give a fuck what you want to say up at this. You get me? I don't care. We're not going back around Jayden. That's it. It done. It cut off. You understand what I say? Everything done right there. So I'm not no bad for chats about him. But the thing is this, you're not going to use your brains for people them type of way there. Fuck we up. You see me? I make it look good for yourself. We're not going to do it. We not go do it. And when them are go crucify we are go come out and talk the truth. Right? You shoot me taxi text yesterday, say everybody has said me set up my daughter pan you. Bro, when me see the text, my hurt. You see me? Right? When me see the text, I feel a way about it. Because me I say, why people have said that? You know what me I say? Why people have said that? Why people have said Ray? You get me? And I said, all right then, boomson. I go out there and I say what I have to say. And I said, I said to you people them, whatever, Mika Boo and Ray no there because that is what you told me to say. Right? But me I wonder where the Ross. But you were playing around her feelings. She have feelings like everybody fucking else. Right? This is the media. People can say what they want to say. Right? You were playing around. You play around her feelings at the end of the day. You don't remember say she have feelings. You get me? The end of the day, you know said, you know in yourself what is what. You don't think about another person's feelings. Right? And you see him one day, I play around her feelings at the end of the day. Me not in our own business, but it's just the truth. If you know in yourself, say you and Fabi, I go make up back in a relationship and whatever, bro. Bro, you never have to pull this a style, yeah. You understand what I say? Go on back to Fabi, go on back to your relationship and whatever way you have to do. But don't make it look them type of way you at the end of the day. You understand what I say? And polish off things and try to make it. Because Mika Boo have feelings to like anybody else. Right there, so. Argument done. And I can get rid of enough of from out of my fucking comment section. Because it's not worth it for the own, so. Sub that blood clot. Show on how much it is. Right? You did. You set up Mika Boo. Right? How the fuck me if set up Mika Boo? Me can't take one big old blood clot pitney. Me can't take one big fucking pitney and can't go there with one man. Eh? All of my family. Even last night my son said, Mommy cut. Don't there here so too long. Mommy and my son look for me. My big son look for me and say, Mommy cut. You see me? Right? Because the energy, we can feel the energy said, okay then, this no feel right now. Oh, me can't take one big old pitney. Mika Boo a big girl. Mika Boo have fucking sense. Mika Boo have sense. So I'm gonna take one big old pitney and force him to go there with one man. The reason why a lot of uno do this because uno don't fucking like me. And all I uno go turn upon me. I wanna do it before on social media where everything happen. I wanna turn down upon me and pine upon me, Annie. Pine upon me, Annie, because uno say me and nobody. So what I wanna ready for come trample down upon if Anne's family and take power like we ain't nobody. My soon do it already. You understand what me I say? And when everything happen, everybody come down upon me. And started to talk about say me do it. You understand me? Me not gonna make none of una blood clot step on me. None of una not gonna motherfucking step on me. Annie. You see me? Me never put Mika Boo with blood clot Jayden. Me never tell Mika Boo for blood clot talk to Jayden. Right? What she say? You what me I say no? So me talk my mind. I don't want to hear nothing from Uno because I say Uno in the comment section Uno wicked. Jayden a big star and top star. Uno go on to Jayden. Low me and my family alone when nobody. Low me and my motherfucking family when nobody where we not go nowhere. I wanna look down pan we. Low we alone. You see me? My family and my family. Me now make nobody make my family feel no type of blood clot way. I me stand up for my family from top to blood clot bottom. You understand what me I say? Me did the past social media long blood clot time I do me thing. Say me have to move on and do what me have to do without people. We not have no problem. Right? Don't make it look like said me end up set up Mika Boo with motherfucking Jayden because I did not. Mika Boo a big girl. All pa uno act like una fucking idiot on social media because you don't want to come off of people. Mika a big girl and she have sense. You understand what me I say? She have a mind of her own. Okay, he was living with Big C. You understand? All right. You see, look here. You see a big C, all right, see Big C part. Let me tell you a part when time me get Caan because me never did know either. Right? When Mekia link up with Jayden, right? They make the whole thing look like said him and Big C did left. Him and Big C never did left. Right? Mekia did think him and Big C never in a nothing. You understand what I say? Right? Mekia did think like say him and Big C did never in a nothing. You remember the first right time when time then go meet up, right? She said to me, say, Mommy, me I go meet up with Jayden. Me say, you sure? She said, yes. Right? Me I go Kingston for go meet. Me say, me did there Kingston. But what them do, they make it look like, say, him and Big C left. Right? And she go meet up with Jayden. You understand me? When she meet up with Jayden, remember say she a big woman, you know, me can't in her business, you know. Me just call and check on her and say, you're good? You're alright? Everything is okay? And he say, yes. Right? I'm a left her alone for do her thing. What me fi do in this so? Right? Remember saying no, they must say me around me pitney them life, you know. So me have to left me pitney them for do it pan them own. For make a decision pan them own. Me cannot be that person all the while did it. I steer them. Them have to learn how to deal with life pan them own. Right? I turn to her, I ask her, I say, Mekia boo, you really like Jayden? She said, Mommy, yes. Right? Me said to her, I say, yeah, is this a prank? Right? She said, no. Right? Me even go as far one time, me see Big C pitch one video with Big C. Big Seed. Right? Me end up press a like on the video and them say me fi take it off because it a go show say me repost fear video. And that no look right. You get me? So me end up have to take out back the repost because me as a ratted, me never know say things serious. Cause me did think a prank. I did think it was a prank. Right? The first time, I did think it was a prank. You see me? Who the role me can't tell you the truth because me when time I did there with other person up so. Me look on the other person and me I say, you know, say me did think a prank and the other person I say, but me did think a prank too. Right? When him this meeting, me did think a prank. Me did think a prank, them a prank the whole crowd. So me left from out of it because the whole of with the past social media make me money. I'm too no man. Whole of with the I do we thing and I make me money. So me did think a prank. Right? And me left her to do her own thing and make her own decision. Sometimes she don't like people in her business, she like her privacy. So what I did, I leave it alone. So oh no, people are come blame me. I come talk about say, and me set them up together. Brother, me not set up nobody together. You understand what I say? The truth is the truth. You understand me? If you don't know, say you want to go back to Fabi, you understand what I say? Just do what you do, and you just move on to that the point. And more than you try to make it look like say yo, you don't want to make everything fall upon fucking me. You understand me? And that is just the fucking truth. Big girl like Mekia. I mean, all of them want to turn down pan. Me say me ready for you, see? I ready for you all of you. Me say if it's a million of you. You understand what I say? Me no business. I think me I want somebody who back down around can get in my brain certain way. I rather tell you somebody who don't go about my business. You understand me? I don't want to walk and believe that you not believe that. No, me tell Mekia boo, little girl, take yourself and move on. Don't look back pan Jayden. No look back at all. Don't look back. You understand me? Because when, you know, you talk to somebody and a person good of using them brains and manipulate you and play with your feelings, what say you're a young girl, it will hurt you. And that is what I'm telling my child when my birth out of my home. If my sister it not look right, I'm going to say to my child. Right? The end of the day, she have feelings like anybody else. Right? And you're not going to play with her feelings You understand me? Use, thank you very much, and use your brain spanner. You understand what me I say? You're going to manipulate her like she not have any sense. You understand me? And next you park, you want to park the Red Ants family aside because you want to start a new chapter. No. Close your new chapter good. Close your old chapter then good. And go on to your new chapter. Because we did all know say you love Fabi. Right? But the thing is this to me, you like to use your brain span woman to get what you want. You understand me? And it's not gonna be Mekia boo in at the end I go get hurt. You understand me? Me I go tell her the truth. Close your off for good. Right? Just lock off if you good. Not text him back, block him from the phone. And me did know say like something did not go down. Like, you know, like when them plan certain things. You know, like when them plan certain things and they know what is what. Me feel that from yesterday. Me feel it from yesterday. Said something did up, bro. Something up. Something up. You understand me? Yeah. Me did feel it from yesterday. Like, some just not feel. She say him wrong for Of course, I'm not joking. I swear upon my life. When him text me yesterday, you know, everything good, you know. Everything was good yesterday. Like, that's why I'm so confused. Because when he shoot me the text, bro, and him say, if you go tell the media, say, him and Mekia boo not there. Me I say, why Jayden not tell me that? Like me I say, why am I tell me that? Like, all of we there say we good. Mekia boo are cooking food in our kitchen and rate. All of we good. You understand what me I say? All of we good. Right? And it's in shoot the text and say, me if you go tell me that media say him and Mekia boo not there. Morning, baby. So when me hear that now, it bother me because it's like me confused. Why would the year sound we're good and you said me say me if you go do that? Right? And next me I look on it and I go to Mekia boo and me say, Mekia boo, everything alright? Right? And when me go to Mekia boo now comes to Boobson and me can see it on her face say, yo, she feels some type of way. And I come say, I go up on the media. When I go up on the media, right, what go on, baby? And I say to the people, them, what go on? And I say to the people, I say, we talk about Mekia boo feelings. I say, boy, you know, if you play with people's feelings. And them act like say me wrong for say that. How the fuck me wrong for say that, bro? How me wrong for say that? When me I go say, you must play with people's feelings, straight up. Right? Yo, people, yes, so maybe praise you and whatever. Me love you. Me not praise you. Me love you. And it's just the truth. What you do, bro, it not right. And me not rate that. You see me? Me not rate it none fucking tal. So you know what? You see this a family, me mind know. When you say that family, no. We are struggle from the ground. We are struggle from nothing. We show people that say we are struggle from nothing. So we are take away for ourselves and go take care of ourselves instead of people hurt we. You understand what me I say for fun amuse? You get me? We're going to make sure we take away ourselves and take care of our family together. You see me? More than you try to hurt a person and use your brain span a person them type of way there, bro. Right? Argument done. I'm no business what you want to say, or you hold your crowd that go come down and say. That's basically it. One thing, I have nothing bad to say about Jayden. I don't have a drop of bad something to say about Jayden more than when me say right now. That's the only thing. Take away my family. You understand what I say? Because remember, people have feelings. So no matter the gimmicks where you run and the style where you run, you have to remember people at the end of the day. Yes, Mekia boo have feelings like anybody else. You get me? And my daughter, she's 19 years old. She's young. I mean, now go make she draw in at this and get hurt. She already maybe hurt and not talk it. You understand what I say? So here, if you know you never did want nothing real with her, leave her alone. It's simple. You don't want to make it look like a me set up on together. Me not do nothing at all. Mekia boo a big girl. You understand what I say? True. Right? Cause, honestly, cause me maybe be loud. I me know myself. You understand me? Just leave her alone. Lower. Nothing to do with them. As I want to say, we are crosses. And me done, me have nothing at all I say. When me hear Mika Boo say, that means me no fi say nothing. Me now walk my mouth and say a thing.
Alright.
Lock chat.
Tell us if you turn on our invitation.
Lock chat.
Tell us if you turn on our invitation. That's like she want back friend Tina. I want a friend Tina and she want a friend Tina, understand? Tell us if you turn on our invitation.
Him can't send it. Him have a request board if he want to send it that uno want tell me.
I use that. Ray! You look like me going back. Oh no, wait. Me can't say me going back in our family. Wait.
What turn off? My invite turn off. You can't turn on the invite for me. When I just look. What one, baby?
Mad.
You say look at settings. Yeah, Tony, but yourself a smoke.
Jesus Christ.
That's what the cigarette is a business. Then I settings.
What's about him, man?
I'm gonna see it off him.
Just tell her if you just add me and done, no?
Zoe. Alright, it turned on. You want something for me too? AC.
You turn on.
I know say turn off. So that means me I turn off, you say, yeah. Turn on. Yeah, me do it. Me turn on. Me never know it turn off.
Honey!
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
I mean by what wrong with me? All of this when need everybody I can drag me and say me set up your Mika Boo.
But I don't miss it.
$500.
I don't miss it. I them say it. I don't miss it.
Yeah, then everything at the end of the day, and me it a come down pan.
But you can't vex with me for that.
What I mean by me can't vex with you for that?
Eh?
Why me can't vex with you for that?
I don't miss it.
Brother, oh no make things look, bro. Oh no, look pan that. You understand what me I say? You see, end of the day, me not business with you Mika Boo. Cause when Mika Boo said to me, or how she move, me not nothing I say. You see me? Me not want have nothing to do with it. Argument done. Like everybody go and run with this, say me set up your Mika Boo.
So you vex with me?
Me vex with you, of course, me vex how the situation deal with. Of course, me feel a way about it.
And you could have done the better.
And in what way?
Remember, you know? Me didn't want to chat, watching up, and me didn't want to chat about this online. Them are something you have to chat on phone or in person. You see? We don't feel chat about them things online. Something for Lord. You know what this? We could have come chat all of my business online, you know. We could have come chat how much money in me have in my account, how much thing me have or how much thing me not have. No, them things I have to chat online, man, animal.
What talk online? What the online may I talk about what is online right now?
You see what online?
That's what we talk about, you know. We talk about what is online.
Alright, we talk about what is online.
What is online?
You see what is online? The people them have it for say you, not me, no. The people them, cause not me personally. The people them, them already say, you set me up with me, you set Mika up with me. And that them I say. I know me I say it now. Not me. Me just want me I say it too much time. I know me say it.
Saying everything, Jayden. Right? You did it. You see type of person me is. You see me have anything to do with me setting up you around me, Kabo?
No, that's why me text you and tell us if it do so. Me tell us if it do so. But it's like y'all take it different, bro.
Because at the end of the day, I thought I was protecting Mikabu feelings.
It don't have nothing to do with me, Mikabu feelings. It have something to do with you. Are you with that thing in another situation there? You know, nothing to do with me.
When me say nobody now go believe me. No matter what me say. I live Mekia, Jesus come right here, so right now, nobody now go believe me. Nobody now go believe me. Nobody at all now go believe me. So the best thing me do, me left you alone.
Guys, it's not like that. Annie, no set up with nobody. You see it. So, you see them talk, they don't make done them talk there. Because Annie not set up with nobody, bro. You see it. Yeah, you man too, you know.
Well, none of them now go where call it. All of them are run with him. I send my daughter for $500. Bro, me see all like comments. I know look good. Me sell my daughter for $500. And money make you do it. You understand what me I say? Bro, you come in my life and me not lie to you. You make my life good. You make my life good. Me can go up at the motherfucking mountain top. You come across my life and you shine light in my motherfucking life, youth. You see me? But me think say me as a mother supposed to protect my daughter feelings. So me I work off her feelings and think of something good me I do. You understand what me I say? I'm a work with you same way. But the end of the day, me, everybody I look on and me, them I pray. You understand what me I say? So all me have to do is just make sure say me back with for every little thing and do what me have to do for myself. Me feel away. Me not lie to you, Jay. Me feel away, you fuck.
Yeah, me understand your motherly instinct kicking. You see that you protect your daughter.
That is it yesterday. That was it yesterday, Jayden. Look up. Look for me. Don't look for the comment section. That is it yesterday. When time me end up misunderstand the text. You see me? And me come out and me say, and me attack and me say, everybody have feelings. I think I was protecting her feelings because me I say I'm a daughter, so you know she young.
May I tell you, so she not in this. Are you we are talking about?
No matter what I say, nobody not gonna understand. So I just say go. I just say go. Yeah, man, I understand. Me not in a them life. Me not in a them life. I do what I have to do for myself. Me not in a them life. Anything where them have to do for themselves, then do what them have to do for themselves. Them are big people, them young. You understand what I say? Young people, them are going to do what them have to do. You understand? When the man Jayden a friend, me not have nothing to do with that. They have to live them life and do what them have to do. I feel me, I tell you the truth. I want you to understand me. I feel away. I talk to Mika boo. I see the level where she depend. She don't want me in a relationship. She don't want me have nothing to say. She do her thing. You get what me I say? You're young, but you're a big man too. You understand what me I say? I don't have a thing to say. I don't have nothing at all to say. I shut my mouth. The more me I talk, the more me I dig a hole.
Why I'm confused?
Oh, you're confused?
I'm confused.
Oh, you're confused?
I can't say relationship.
Me not say relationship is square.
Yeah.
But yeah, Mika boo, yeah. Yeah, Mika boo, yeah, Mika boo.
You see them people, when I say relationship, them people we think are old in a old, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
So me and you have a what you call it? Me and you have a type of relationship.
Yeah, but you see them people, them people, you have to choose a word wisely.
Oh. Okay.
But me and you can't have a relationship, man.
Bumble. The fuck yourself with me. Don't fuck yourself with me. We're in a relationship. Not that the relationship. Not that. Why you talk around with me? Talk around with me. Yeah, you know the type of relationship me and you have.
Yes.
Right? And I did saw the whole thing there. Jayden, me not lie to you, no, bro. Me love you, you know.
Love it too.
You see me?
Yeah.
Right?
That's so.
Me respect the type of thing when me and you have.
Yeah.
You see me? But me not like, oh, it end up a come out that way you like say, and me are the person I try to put this thing to. You get what me I say? Which is what we know say it isn't so.
Me understand, man.
Right? But make a boo this squall show me one face and me even afraid to talk.
Me Kabu tell us if it done. Oh, pearl on. So
Me have to Jayden because people continue as say, and me set up this thing, and no matter how me attack, I tell them from day one, say, Ro, even like, want to run off like a prank thing and rate, whatever. Nobody now listen to me. They better me just stop chat.
And it good man. Good man. That for yourself. Jabas!
No blood class, yo. This a man that we, yo, nothing serious, take it. No, nothing serious. People are gonna talk. Well, that's why I say I left you alone. Kind of make no sense to talk because no matter how I try to fix it, no matter how I try to say, make no sense.
I saw them turn, man. You like your sweat, man. Where you found there?
Them, wanna set up a fan now? Yo, me I sweat till that day I say a ball, me a ball.
Set up the fan. Go for the fan.
Set up a fan for me now, please.
So you're not about to leave me alone.
Big man.
I know a star.
My friend, I say it good. I want a relationship, cause I have that banner with you. So me feel like say we have something. We not talk that way they cause they do not think funny, but
Yeah.
my thing with you, you see what I say? To be honest, bro, me don't even can say it right now because them people are gonna put it for them type of way.
Nah, man, say it, man.
Jay, me and you, me not lie to you. Me rate what me and you have.
Yeah, me too.
You understand what I say? But the end of the day, when it come on to you and me about friendship, I don't have nothing to do with that, bro. I just saw me see it. Understand?
So Jaga good? Whole family good?
The whole family good. You know Jagga always be Jagga?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that now go change.
How about Jabas there? Jabas asleep?
Yeah, put that together for me. Jayden,
Yeah?
we want past that now because there's something else to talk about.
What up?
Call Jabas first.
Jabas.
You call him this morning?
No, man. I think me can't angle it. Me alone can't angle it for now.
You sure?
Yeah.
Wait, just one. I'm gone.
Oh.
Alex.
What with Alex?
Alex have a look of feeling.
Alex have woman?
Alex have a look of feeling.
In the house?
No, the boy decent, him decent.
What you mean him the...
He no carry from here. He no carry, Alex is not like Jagger. Alex different. And I like Jagger we carry all a woman then come pack up on me. Alex carry her somewhere else. He's next door.
Alex not there?
No, him next door. Him get a, me no know how him get a room next door.
Yeah, Alex have phone?
In this guy walk out there, so we want to talk to him?
Yeah.
Hey, Mika. Oh, rice a bun up. No, seriously, rice a bun up. God no, run come. Right, no, seriously, rice a bun up for true. Alex. Jayden.
Alex!
Yo.
Oh, go on, my dog.
Yeah, man.
And he just tell me say have a woman.
Bombo clat. Me top par with you. Me got top par with you.
Yo.
No, we just pinch him and tell him something.
Yo, Alex, how much? Yeah, how much?
At 17.
I go box it. Alex, you boss it already?
Eh?
You boss it already?
Yo, you just...
Tell me, dog. Yo, Alex, yo, boy cute it up, man.